Disclaimer.
There it goes.
You sure you want to do this?
Yep.
That's a bet.
Is it like bald on the side?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
Is it?
Holy sh... Oh my god.
You're never gonna tell me to do this again, are you?
Well, we didn't tell you to do it
this time.
Well, you're never gonna make me make a bet like that ever again.
We didn't make you make a bet.
This time.
Fine, you're
Matter of
not.
fact, you're not allowed to make dumb bets like this anymore.
Dumb butt. Oh my gosh.
You got freckles and stuff on your head.
Oh, dang it.
Or you could just stay like that, like an old man.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
I hope it grows back.
Yeah, me too.
Oh. I don't like this. Nah, I think we should just go with a buzz. Jeez.
Is this like horrible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it painful to watch?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I don't feel any different at all.
You don't look in the mirror after you're done. Hold on. Wait.
This is a number 0 special, right?
This is definitely a number 0 special.
Hold on. Trey.
No, don't show me yet. Don't show me yet. Don't show me yet. I'll look in the mirror in the bathroom.
I don't think you should have done this. But you're lucky because you don't have to shave your hair in a long time.
Yeah. No haircuts for me in like a month.
Nah, over.
Over?
Yeah. Probably.
Is this the best haircut you've ever given me? Or the easiest?
It is.
Are we going to have to bick it?
Big?
No.
What do you mean?
No.
big?
Lee?
What?
No.
Don't turn around.
You're gonna regret this.
I probably am.
Yeah, you need to wash your hair better.
Gross.
Well, I mean, I just been doing physical activity and I sweat, alright?
Well, it should be easier to wash your head now.
Yes.
We got no mirror.
Don't show me anything, alright? Put the mirror down. Down. Face down. Thank you.
I'm not liking this so far. Look at your chest right there.
I know. I see it.
Look at all the black hair gone.
Can you see my head? Like,
No,
Yeah.
barely. There's a bunch of hair on it though. They're all like little. Dude, they're like this.
I need a
You have
haircut
like this
anyway.
patch here on the side.
Woo! Oh.
Don't try and get any closer than it has to be.
I think we should bick it.
No.
What do you mean, bick it?
Like get Mom's razor she uses on her legs.
No. No.
Like, so I have like a shiny head?
Yeah.
Oh. Heck no.
Uncle Bubba special.
Oh yeah. We gotta send this picture to Uncle
Negative
Bubba.
0 special.